Hello, I have a reservation under the name of Smith. John Smith.
Good afternoon, Mr. Smith. Welcome to the Grand Vista Hotel. May I have your ID and credit card, please?
Certainly.
Thank you, Mr. Smith. I see your reservation for a deluxe king room for 2 nights.
That's correct.
Everything looks to be in order. Here is your room key card. Your room number is 305, located on the 3rd floor. The elevators are just to your right.
Great. Thank you.
You're welcome. Breakfast is served in the dining hall on the 1st floor from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m.
Perfect. Is there a gym or fitness center?
Yes, we do. Our fitness center is located on the 2nd floor, and it's open 24 hours. You can access it with your room key card.
Excellent. And what about Wi-Fi?
Our Wi-Fi is complimentary throughout the hotel. The network name is Grand Vista Guest, and the password is WelcomeGV. It's also printed on the card in your room key folder.
Wonderful. Is there a concierge desk if I need help with local tours or restaurant reservations?
Yes, the concierge desk is located just beside the elevators. They're available from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. They can assist you with any inquiries you may have.
That sounds very helpful. I might want to book a dinner reservation later.
Absolutely. They'll be happy to help. Do you have any other questions at this time, Mr. Smith?
No, I think that covers everything. Thank you for your assistance.
You're very welcome, Mr. Smith. We hope you enjoy your stay at the Grand Vista Hotel. Please don't hesitate to contact us if you need anything.
I will. Thank you.